That's the actual tetrahedral structure of the methane molecule. Now we're going to draw this structure on paper. How can we draw a tetrahedral structure on paper? So we are going to draw three lines just like we draw in the trigonal planar molecule, and then we're going to draw one bond a little bit on an angle so that we can show it as that it is outside the paper. We cannot draw it outside the paper, that's why we bent it a little bit so that we can make it outside the paper. So the bond angle would be 109.5 here. This is the main bond angle which every tetrahedral molecule without a lone pair could have. So 109 is the bond angle, and the molecule's geometry would be called as tetrahedral molecule. But we have all four bonds here. Now we're going to talk about three bonds and one electron pair. So this one bond is going to be replaced by electron pair. The example we're going to talk about is NH3. This ammonia molecule is a nice example of such compound. We have one electron pair on nitrogen atom and three hydrogen atoms on the side. So now I'm going to draw this molecule as I have drawn the methane molecule. It would have three bonds on this side and one electron pair. So let me draw its Lewis structure. The Lewis structure says that this nitrogen atom have three hydrogens and one electron pair. So the main structure is based on tetrahedral molecule. So we'll draw a tetrahedral molecule just like that. All three bonds would be just in the same positions as we have drawn in the tetrahedral molecule, but the bond on the upside would be a little electron pair. It would not be a bond, it is an electron pair, just like that. Now, as we discussed earlier, the electron pair would push the bonds on each side of itself, and it would push the bonds just like that, and the bond angle between these bonds would reduce from 109.5 to a little less than 109.5, and the bond angle would be less than 109.5. It is more like 104 to 105 or 107. Yeah, 107, not 104. I messed up. So the structure could be drawn as this, a pyramid. You might have seen pyramids, and the name is clearly showing. It is not